Good morning, Miss.
Okay, good one, yes.
Okay, today we are going to do evaluation. I will evaluate from some of the questions or, uh, yeah, the question from the homework and then some from the vocabulary, some from the summary points. So I will start from the summary point here for science. For summary points, you can open the laptop, Miss. Okay, please explain to me for this summary point for science.
Okay, good morning, miss. Okay. We will discuss about sinking and floating in this meeting. Upthrust is the upward force that prevents sinking of the object. The object floats if its weight is less than or equal to upthrust. So if the object is if the object's weight are equal to or less than the upthrust, it will float. And then the heavier objects are more likely to sink than the like one. The objects of the same size with different masses may float or sink based on the mass, because there are some objects have the same size but they have different mass, like the marble and the ball, maybe, because the marble and pebble, small pebble, they have same size but maybe they have different mass. Mass affects floating and sinking, because if the object has more mass, it will sink. But if the object has less than the other objects, it will less mass, it will float.
So the ball include to how about the ball?
The ball, it
Will it sing or what?
the ball it based on the mass. If the mass is more than the thrust, it will sink.
Okay. Based on the mass, yeah. Okay, please explain to me for English the summary points.
Okay. In this chapter, actually, we will talk about. Can you tell me what is it for? Can you tell me? I only give the summary points about what is it. Identifies the objects or machine. For example, a computer. A computer. So what does it do? What does a computer do? It's about the function or action of the specific part. For example, what does the power buttons of a computer do? It will turn on or it will switch on and so on. And what is it for? Six, to understand the overall purpose of the object of machine. For example, a computer is the processing the Microsoft Word and so on. So this unit will discuss about. Can you tell me what is the function of the object? Like that.
So the object only about machine.
Yes, because this is about crazy invention.
Oh, okay. So the topic only three of this. What is it? What does it do? And then what is it for?
So the students will explain what is it, what does it do, and so on.
So what else? Will you ask them to find out maybe another thing for the example besides of machine?
Actually, in the book, there's some crazy invention, like the Professor Potts told us about homework and homework express that the students can do the machine and so on, because this just their imagination. I asked them to write the finding of their finding, but
They're finding about?
about the invention.
Oh.
But I think that's just their imagination, because impossible. I asked them to make the
Yeah. So individually.
yeah.
Oh, okay. So after that, did you ask them to present that? About their invention?
Yeah, they will just explain in front.
One by one, yeah?
Yeah, because only 7 students.
Yes, I think the time is enough. Okay, for health education, Miss.
Okay. We still continue about clean environment. Okay. As we know that we are belongs to public places, we need the public places. So we need to keep the environment. We need to keep the public places clean. Public places can be dirty, such as a smelly leaf or dirty toilets. Like in the mall, like in the school, we have the toilets. So we need to keep them clean. Keeping public places clean is important for health and hygiene. Many people will eat at the food court and restaurant or cafeterias. So we need to take responsibility to make them clean as well.
How? How is the way?
We can pick up the trash, avoid littering, and then we can encourage people to do the same. So as eating places, as a food places, we need to follow rules. We need to follow rules and regulation that government made to prevent food poisoning to others. We should keep public places clean to protect everyone, not only us, but also for all people that will use the public places.
So did you ask them to do simple things? For example, okay, we start from the school. For example, if you find any rubbish in the school,
Yes, of course, and always remind them to flush the after they use toilet, because when I went to the restroom, I always
see something.
smell see something as
that's smelly.
Yeah, that's why I always remind the students to keep the environment clean.
Oke, now IPAS, Miss. Coba tolong dijelaskan tentang perjuangan bangsa Indonesia.
Oke. Kali ini kita akan belajar beberapa tokoh dan beberapa tokoh perjuangan para tokoh. Yang pertama itu Raden Ajeng Kartini. R.A. Kartini yang memperjuangkan pendidikan perempuan, di mana dia mendirikan beberapa sekolah. Dalam perjuangannya, dia ingin membuat perempuan itu lebih mandiri dan maju, memberikan kesempatan untuk perempuan mendapatkan pendidikan, karena pada masa itu hanya orang-orang tertentu yang bisa bersekolah dan mendapatkan pendidikan. Jadi perjuangan R.A. Kartini ini dibukukan yang berjudul Habis Gelap Terbitlah Terang. Yang kedua Dewi Sartika. Dewi Sartika juga mendirikan sekolah, salah satunya Sekolah Istri. Dia terinspirasi juga dengan dari R.A. Kartini, ingin memajukan para istri agar lebih telaten, agar lebih maju. Yang ketiga ada Ki Hajar Dewantara. Ki Hajar Dewantara adalah salah satu kita sebut bapak pendidikan, di mana dia mendirikan Industri Partich dan Taman Siswa. Ki Hajar Dewantara tidak sendiri, ada pahlawan lainnya yaitu Douwe Dekker. Dia juga mendirikan Industri Partich bersama Ki Hajar Dewantara. Douwe Dekker keturunan Belanda, tapi dia tidak ingin dikatakan sebagai orang Belanda karena dia ingin memperjuangkan kemerdekaan Indonesia. Dia juga memimpin The Express pada masa itu. Selanjutnya ada Budi Utomo, itu salah satu organisasi perintis kesadaran nasional untuk memperjuangkan kemerdekaan Indonesia. Selanjutnya Industri Partich. Industri Partich di sini memperjuangkan kemerdekaan tanpa Belanda. Mereka itu non-koperasi, mereka tidak ingin bekerja sama dengan Belanda. Yang terakhir Kongres.
Siapa tokoh-tokoh ini seperti ini?
Salah satunya itu Ki Hajar Dewantara, Douwe Dekker, Sultan Syahrir, dan masih banyak lagi. Selanjutnya
berapa tokohnya? Yang di seperti ini tokohnya berapa? Bukan cuma 3 ya?
3.
Dan lain-lain.
Oh ya. Selanjutnya
3 kan?
Iya 3. Selanjutnya Kongres Pemuda II. Kongres Pemuda II ini yaitu kongres yang menghasilkan Sumpah Pemuda yang sangat penting bagi Indonesia, yang berisi kami putra dan putri Indonesia mengaku bertumpah darah satu tanah air Indonesia. Kami putra dan putri Indonesia mengaku berbangsa yang satu, bangsa Indonesia. Kami putra dan putri Indonesia menjunjung bahasa persatuan, yaitu bahasa Indonesia.
Disuruh nggak mereka menghafal itu?
Iya.
Udah dihafal?
Sudah.
Okay, then now we move to vocabulary. Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
I don't see a miss.
Yes. Okay. All right. This is vocabulary list. Just start from science. What is sinking?
Sinking is going down into the water or below.
Additional explanation.
Sinking is going down into the water, going into the water, becoming submerged. The object will sink if they are denser than the water around them.
Example.
Example: a rock sank to the bottom of the lake.
Is it same rock and stone?
Different. They're same, but they have specific detail of that because
Characteristic like
yeah, they have different characteristic.
Okay. Floating.
Floating is staying on the top of water without sinking.
Okay. Additional explanation.
Sinking is staying on the top of water without sinking, like without sinking. An object will float if they are less dense. For
Example.
example, a leaf is floating on the water.
Okay. So did you show them directly the real
Yes.
the real thing? What did you
The
have? What did you provide?
leaf and fable.
Oh yeah. So you bring the water as well.
Yeah,
Okay.
by using only the small cup. But for next week we have a science project. I will use the aquarium.
The Korean. Okay. Okay. English. Strange.
Strange, something unusual, not like normal things. Something is different or hard to understand. For example, the alien looks strange with its green skin.
You just give one example to them.
Yes.
So what else do you know, Miss?
Maybe if in my mind, maybe the person who undress well.
Undress well. Okay. You need also to, maybe the example only one, but you can give more examples to them, right? And then maybe you can ask them, okay, what else do you think like strange, so they can understand it more, understand it well. I mean, so did you do that, or you just explain this one?
Yeah, sometimes direct, sometimes spontaneously I will give them because we don't know the condition in the classroom.
Yeah. But it's important, I think. Okay, how about the striped?
Stripes is a long narrow line or band. A long narrow line, often with colors like the tiger has black stripes on its orange body.
The tiger.
Yeah, zebra as well.
Zebra. Right. Okay, health education. Stepped.
Steps moved by putting one foot in front.
Okay, additional explanation.
Moved by lifting or placing one foot down. For example, she steps on the puddle and got wet.
Okay. Garbage.
Garbage is waste of things we no longer need. Waste items we throw away because they are not needed anymore.
For
For
example,
example, we put garbage in the bin.
we put the garbage
In the bin.
in the bin. So did you explain that even though we call them as a garbage,
Rubbish.
some of them can be like, how to say that? we can use the edible because there will be people to how to say that, yeah.
Recycle. What do you mean?
Yes, to recycle the things. Even not all, right, the garbage. But did you explain that some of them can
Yeah.
be?
Because sometimes it will be organic one and unorganic.
Yes. So did you explain? Ke IPAS. Memelopori.
Memelopori, memulai atau menjadi yang pertama dalam sesuatu.
Penjelasan tambahannya?
Memulai atau menjadi yang pertama dalam suatu kegiatan atau gerakan penting, peristiwa atau gerakan penting.
Apakah ini sama dengan memimpin?
Almost.
Bedanya
Karena
apa?
kalau memelopori dia yang menjadi pertama kali mencetuskan dan melakukan itu.
Seperti merintis?
Iya, merintis, memelopori. Kalau memimpin kan mungkin belum tentu dia yang pertama kali, dia hanya sebagai pemimpin.
Dia hanya sebagai garda terdepan, ya. Oke. Jadi perintis apa di sini?
Perintis orang yang pertama kali memulai suatu hal.
Penjelasan tambahannya?
Perintis adalah orang yang membuka jalan atau memulai sesuatu hal baru.
Oke, Miss buat di sini memelopori dan perintis itu beda. Jadi apa beda mereka gitu?
Merintis dan memelopori itu sebenarnya sama, cuman kadang kan bahasa yang digunakan itu berbeda. Seperti baik dan bagus itu kan maknanya sama, Miss. Cuman kan kenapa saya sebenarnya ada juga di situ merintis, memelopori. Makanya saya buat satu perintis, satu memelopori.
Jadi kalau perintis ini biasanya digunakan untuk
orangnya.
Kalau memelopori bukan orangnya juga.
Memelopori itu predikat, sebagai dia memelopori, sebagai yang aktivitasnya. Kalau perintis,
pekerjaan dia, apa yang dilakukan dia, begitu. Oke. Kongres
pertemuan besar membahas masalah penting bersama.
Penjelasan tambahannya.
Pertemuan besar untuk membahas atau menyelesaikan masalah penting bersama.
Contohnya
Kongres Sumpah Pemuda pada 28 Oktober 1998 menghasilkan Sumpah Pemuda yang sangat penting.
Ini seperti rapat besar gitu ya?
Iya, rapat besar.
Okay, now we move to homework. Bagaimana cara kita menghargai budaya lain?
Belajar budaya lain.
Belajar budaya lain. Apa arti tenggang rasa?
Tenggang rasa menghormati orang lain dengan menjaga ucapan dan perbuatan.
Apa contoh toleransi di lingkungan masyarakat?
Contoh toleransi di lingkungan masyarakat membantu tetangga yang mengalami kesulitan atau musibah tanpa memandang agama atau suku.
Mengapa menghargai keragaman penting?
Penting untuk menciptakan kerukunan, persatuan, dan keharmonisan.
Bagaimana cara menghormati keragaman budaya? Coba berikan beberapa contohnya.
Tidak membandingkan budaya kita dengan budaya lain. Saling berbagi cerita tentang budaya dan saling berbagi cerita tentang budaya. Jangan membandingkan budaya lain. Yang ketiga, ya Miss. Jangan membandingkan.
Ada 3 cara di sini.
Iya, jangan membandingkan budaya. Mempelajari budaya lain dan saling berbagi cerita budaya.
Saling berbagi cerita. Oke, IPAS. Siapa yang dikenal sebagai pelopor kebangkitan perempuan di Indonesia?
Yang pertama Raden Ajeng Kartini.
Itu yang paling pertama ya?
Iya.
Apa nama sekolah yang didirikan Dewi Sartika?
Sekolah Istri.
Tujuan didirikan Indisi Party?
Memperjuangkan kemerdekaan Indonesia.
Yang mendirikan organisasi Budi Tomo?
Dr. Wahidin Sudirohusodo.
Kapan kongres dilaksanakan?
Kongres
Iya, Kongres Pemuda 2 maksud saya. Sorry.
1928.
Bagaimana dengan organisasi Perhimpunan Indonesia? Siapa yang mendirikan?
Organisasi Muhammad Hatta.
Yang mendirikan Taman Siswa?
Ki Hajar Dewantara.
Apa yang dilakukan Douwe Dekker dalam perjuangannya?
Douwe Dekker memimpin The Express dan mendirikan Industri Partij.
Bagaimana peran pendidikan dalam perjuangan Kartini dan Dewi Sartika?
Pendidikan penting pada masa itu karena untuk memberikan kesempatan bagi wanita untuk maju dan lebih mandiri.
Mengapa Sumpah Pemuda sangat penting dalam sejarah kita?
Karena Sumpah Pemuda menyatukan seluruh pemuda dari berbagai daerah untuk memperjuangkan kemerdekaan Indonesia.
Okay, now science. What happens when forces are balanced on a moving object?
What happens?
When forces are balanced on a moving object.
On the moving it moves.
Moves at?
It moves at the speed, same speed.
What must a skateboarder do to keep the skateboard moving? Skateboard.
Push harder.
What happens when forces on a stationary object are unbalanced?
Unbalanced, the object moves.
What is upthrust?
Upward force in water.
So when will an object float in water?
If the weight are equal to or less than the upthrust.
Why is it important to know about forces when riding a skateboard?
It keeps us moving and avoid falling.
What would happen if there was no upthrust in water?
It would sink because there was no upward force to balance their weight.
Oke, Bahasa Indonesia. Apa yang dimaksud dengan biografi?
Biografi adalah kisah tentang kehidupan tokoh yang patut diteladani.
Ciri-cirinya?
Fakta perjalanan hidup tokoh.
Oke. Ini ada sebuah gerakan ya, ada sebuah cerita berarti ya di bahasa Indonesia ini. Gerakan bye-bye plastic bags. Jadi mengapa Melati dan Isabel memulai gerakan tersebut?
Karena banyak sampah ditemukan di Bali.
Pada usia berapa Melati dan Isabel memulai gerakan tersebut?
10 dan 12 tahun.
Yang 10 tahun siapa?
Isabel.
Melati yang 12?
Iya, mereka adik kakak.
Jadi apa yang dapat kita pelajari dari kisah mereka ini?
Walaupun masih muda, kita tetap bisa peduli terhadap lingkungan dan setiap orang bisa berkontribusi dalam hal-hal positif.
Siapa William Kamkwamba?
William Kamkwamba adalah pemuda Afrika yang mengubah turbin angin dari barang bekas.
Jadi mengapa dia berhenti sekolah?
Karena keluarga tidak memiliki biaya untuk pendidikan.
Mengapa menurut Miss gerakan bye-bye plastik ini sangat penting?
Karena untuk mengurangi untuk menjaga lingkungan dari sampah plastik, karena sampah plastik bisa merusak lingkungan dan ekosistem.
Oke, ini kan tentang gerakan mengurangi sampah plastik ya. Miss kasih nggak contoh di Indonesia ada loh gerakan ini gitu, yang mengurangi sampah plastik, ada. Menurut saya kayaknya perlu juga, ya kan?
Iya.
Jadi bisa kita samakan gitu. Ternyata di Indonesia juga ada gerakan tersebut.
Tapi Jackson kan tinggal di Terjun, Miss. Di situ tempat pembuangan sampah. Jadi dia nanya, Miss, tapi di lingkungan rumah saya banyak sampah, Miss. Itu gimana? Gitu.
Jadi apa, Miss Jawa?
Saya bilang karena di situ tempat pembuangan sampah. Jadi itu sampah itu menggunung di situ.
Ya?
Makanya di situ juga di daerah Terjun Maryland kan rawan banjir itu karena memang sampah terlalu banyak.
Oh, jadi apa Miss bilang ke dia?
Jadi saya bilang ya makanya kan ada beberapa orang yang mengepul sampah-sampah itu kayak plastik, itu juga mereka ada yang membakar segala macam. Jadi kita melakukan hal-hal kecil yang bisa kita lakukan seperti mengumpulkan sampah plastik, memisahkan plastik dengan organik dan
Iya.
menjual, mungkin ada beberapa orang yang menjual ke pengepul. Saya cuma bilang seperti itu.
Okay, health education. Why do we need to keep public places clean?
To prevent food poisoning.
Based on the text, how can we take care of public places?
Based on the text.
There's a text right here.
Yeah. Throw the rubbish in the bins.
What else?
Rubbish in the bins and for eating place, follow the rules and the regulation to keep the food hygienic.
Okay. Why do you think it is important to keep public places clean?
To ensure health and safety of everyone and make the environment more pleasant.
So what can you do personally to help keeping your surroundings clean?
I can pick up the trash to avoid littering, and then I can encourage people to do the same as me.
Okay. What is a washing machine used for? This is
Wash
English.
clothes.
Washing clothes. So what does a computer mouse do?
Pointer, the 2 point on the screen.
What does a remote control do?
Control the TV. Control the TV or device.
How about the painting machine? What does the painting machine do?
It painted the objects based on the color and design we choose.
So there is a story here about professor, right? So what happened when the professor used the teletransporter?
It disappears. It disappears when it smokes and didn't work right.
So do you think the professor painting machine is a good idea?
It would be fun. It would be fun, but it might not work as expected because when we asked to paint the cat instead of the car.
So would you like to
chairs.
use? Would you like to use that machine?
For making fun, maybe.
For making
Just
fun. Why?
Because it's not really work like when we ask to do something to paint this one, it cannot listen to hear well what we ask.
Our instruction.
Yes, our instruction.
All right, then I think enough for the evaluation for today. But almost all you could answer actually for the homework, for the summer points, for vocabulary list. Maybe you have prepared well. How many days have you learned this?
Last night.
From last night. Oh my god. Okay, then that's good, Miss. Yeah. Okay, then I think you pass in this evaluation, Miss.
Thank you so much, Miss.
Yes, Miss.